Hello everyone. This is a watercolor floral I did. I purposefully wanted to kind of make it soft looking so that I could come in with pens and kind of go around the areas of the painting that I wanted to have stand out. Here I'm showing you that I painted it with no words. And now I just start in and do the individual flowers where I want to highlight. I saw someone do this one time and I've always wanted to kind of try it and see kind of how it would turn out. So I'm making this for a friend instead of, she's turning 60 and I wanted to make something special for her 60th birthday. And so instead of buying a card, I thought I'd make her a little picture she can maybe frame or something. Yeah. So, alright, I'll be quiet so you can watch. I'm just kind of like picking out little parts of the watercolor that kind of stand out. And I want to keep it really loose. I want it to be kind of painterly looking, you know, not too detailed. And it's just kind of just get the petals to kind of stand out a little bit and giving it like each flower a center. So it's very therapeutic if you ever want to try this. When I was painting with watercolor, I was kind of I looked at a picture while I was doing it and I just kind of, it was a very loose picture like what you see. And I just kind of, I wasn't even really happy with it. And then I thought, well, maybe I'll just spruce it up with some of the pens that I purchased recently. These are Prismacolor pens and they're a lot of fun. So if you guys have an opportunity to buy them, they're a little bit pricey, but sometimes you can get pretty good deals if you just keep watching. I think I bought mine through Blix. I'm not sure, I can't remember. They should last me for a while. I had a set in college, but then they all dried out, and I said to myself, I'm never going to do that again. I'm going to use them up. These colors are just kind of a strong, similar colors that are in the painting, of course. I'll speed it up here a little bit. was thinking that all of the colors are very similar, but I needed to lift it up somehow. So I grabbed the yellow, and I think this kind of did the trick. It just took it a little bit further. And I mean, you could even go deeper and get some, you know, shadows and deeper lines in there if you wanted to. What I like about the pens is that it's usually the darkness is instant. They don't get lighter or darker. They're what you see is what you get. So pretty happy with this, and I'm just going to sign it and give it away. This is my new children's book that I just illustrated and finished. You can purchase it on Amazon if you'd like. Thanks for watching.